Welcome to Photoshop and today's quick tip. So I had to take a whole bunch of these images, so I have spices in this dish and I need to cut this dish out. So the tip here today is when you're cutting stuff out, people are like, oh yeah, you can just Photoshop it. Well, shooting is really important when it comes to Photoshop and doing composites, how you take the photo. So because I photographed this on white, and this is just literally a white envelope, so it's a dish on a white envelope, makes it really easy for me to cut out. So it makes my job easier and the time go by quick. Now I could have had this on a piece of wood or something that looked really cool, but then to cut that out would be extremely difficult. So when you know you're going to layer or need to cut something out, how you shoot it is really important. So what we're going to do here is I've got my image and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to use the select subject here, and it might get it, it might not get it, but it's not a huge deal. You can see it for some reason missed this, so we'll just grab this lasso tool, hold down the shift key, and I'm going to add to the selection. So that's pretty much it. We've got the whole thing selected. Now I'm going to come up here to select and mask, and I've got some settings at by default. So I've got basically an 8 pixel feather, and I shifted my edge in 5%. So my edge is going from here in this way. So it's going into this way over to the left. And then I'm just going to hit OK. And that's going to reshape my selection. And then I'm just going to click a mask and I am basically done. You can see that's a perfect selection with a nice soft edge so it looks realistic when we paste it somewhere else. And that's it. And that is all because I knew I was going to do this beforehand and I made it easy for myself to cut out. So thanks for watching. Any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And don't forget to subscribe.